Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. It makes industries more efficient. AI processes huge data. This aids better decisions. AI automates tasks. AI is revolutionizing healthcare. AI analyzes medical images, detects patterns doctors might miss, leads to accurate diagnoses. AI-powered robots assist surgeons performing complex procedures precisely. While AI excels at logic, it cannot replace human empathy, creativity, and connection. These traits make us unique. They enable deeper connections. A teacher's comfort can't be replicated by AI. AI is not here to replace us, it is here to amplify us. By embracing AI, we unlock extraordinary possibilities. Imagine AI assisting doctors in making life-saving diagnoses, giving them more time to connect with patients. Picture classrooms where AI personalizes learning, allowing teachers to nurture creativity. Imagine AI designing sustainable cities, leaving more time for human connection. This is the future we can create together, a future where AI and humanity work in harmony.